In this video I'm going to show you how to play Spider by Brad Richter, taken from the Trinity Classical Guitar Exam Grade 1. As always, I'm going to play the piece in two different tempos, one as it's supposed to sound and another slower version, so that you can have a bit of a better look what's happening. I'm also giving you some tips and there's a fun fact at the end of this video, so be sure to stick around. My name is Vinny from Neuzugang, where we're all about learning and well-being. In this specific video series, it's all about Trinity Classical Guitar Exams. If this sounds good, be sure to check out our website, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so that you get the notification when we release new videos, and ask questions. Tell me something. Or just ask questions, I'm gonna answer them. Let's get after it. Here's Spider in its original tempo, which is 84 BPM. Before I'm playing, I'm taking a deep breath to become the Spider. And here's a slower version of Spider with 60 BPM. And here are some tips. Tip number one, in this piece we play loads of notes that are very close together. Some of you might know that already. If I play something like this, that's called a chromatical scale. So basically what we're doing is here playing a small chromatical scale. And in order for that to happen as smoothly as possible, put your hands like this. So your fingers are hovering just slightly above the fretboard, and when those notes come, middle finger, oh, here's my note coming, he's already there. And if this same with the ring finger, so have your hand in that position from the beginning of the piece. Tip number two, in this piece we alternate always between the B and the E string, like this. And I'd like you to have your hand as loose as possible, because if we cramp up, it's gonna be really hard. And if you're a bit confused of how your right hand or your picking hand, if you're left-handed, it's your other hand, how you should hold your hand, do like this. Hello, hello. Loosen it up and then put it there, and it's already in that perfect position. Tip number three, we already learned that in the previous pieces. This piece is full of decrescendos, other one, crescendos and decrescendos. Be sure to include them because they are really making this Spider come alive. Did you know that spiders have blue blood and that there are also more than 35,000 types of spiders on our planet? Crazy. Let me know how you get on in the comments. If you have any questions, put them down there, I'll answer them. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I see you all in the next video.